Hi, everyone. This is Dane DeCimino. I'm excited to announce the launch of my first book today, Through the Cyber Maze, where I detail all the lessons that I learned by traveling through 7 unique vendors in the cybersecurity industry over the past 12 years. This book takes you through all the stories that are behind the scenes and also all the lessons that I learned along the way. So if you're in a turbulent market or trying to navigate through your own maze, this book will give you inspiration. I go through my early days at Comodo, which I call the pirate ship back in the day in 2013, about 12 years ago. It's amazing how fast time goes. And then from there to Optiv, where I spent a few years learning the ropes of the industry because Optiv was really at the center of all of these different vendors that were trying to sell their products through Optiv. I was focused on managed security services there. Next was moving to Dell Secureworks, where I witnessed the cloud transformation as well as the software driven services transformation that they went through from 2017 to 2020. Then, as the pandemic hit, I decided to jump ship and join, I call it an attack boat at Siemplify, which was later acquired by Google. So that was a very rapid paced, chaotic 7 months of my career that I go through in the book. And then going back to the Dell world, I moved to VMware and looked at modernizing security operations and the carbon black business unit and bringing our security operations story to life in market, as well as dealing with the major crisis in the SolarWinds breach within my first 2 weeks on the job. So from VMware and during the great resignation of 2021, I moved to Cisco, which I call a refueling on an aircraft carrier because I quickly left to go to Splunk, and I hit the ground running, and I've been moving forward ever since at Splunk. The chaotic pace of the past 12 years, I just felt like it was a unique perspective to have and something that I wanted to write down eventually. And I finally got to it. So I'm excited to release it. And it's free until Saturday, March 15th. So if you want a copy, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to DM you a link. Thanks a lot.